Khan. Today in this video we will talk about how to remove upload files or how to remove a pre-installed app from our Android phones. So most of the phones come with a pre-installed apps like Samsung, like HTC, like Lenovo, like Hawaii. There are most of the company come with their own apps or pre-installed apps. So how we can remove it and why we are going to remove all these apps. So all these apps are just wastage of our storage, and also it consume our CPU usage, it consume different services of our Android phone, it's also drained or it's also destroy our battery life. So there is a lot of disadvantages of these apps because most of the people do not use all these apps. That's why most of the people want to remove all these apps. So how we can remove it without routing or without routing our Android phone? So let's see how we can remove all these apps from our Android phone without. So before you are going to disable or hide or uninstall your pre-installed app on your Android phone, you need four things. Number one, you need your Android phone. Second thing, you need a computer. The third thing, you need to install ADB drivers on your computer and ADB debugging mode enable on your Android phone, and the fourth thing you need is the plotter file. So all these two things are available here with me, and you can download it from video description. This is the DB drivers and this is a plotter setup file. We need these two things on Windows platform or Windows operating system. So before you are going to connect your Android phone with your computer, you need to install ADB drivers. So I have already installed it on my computer. So now I am just going to connect my Android phone with computer, and then we have to enable ADB debugging mode. So how we can enable it, ADB debugging mode? So let's see. I'm just going to connect my phone with computer that you can also see my mobile screen on computer. So as you can see, I just drag it and voila. So here you can see how we can enable debugging mode on our Android phone. So let's see. I'm just going to my setting on Android phones. So I just open the setting tab and I'm just going to general tab and scroll down, and here you can see developer option. I will just tap on it and you can see USB debugging mode. So you have to enable this USB debugging mode on your Android phone. So if there is no Android developer option on your Android phone, so you have to go to about device, and here you can see build number. You have to tap 7 times on this build number, and when you tap 7 times on this build number, you will just appear this developer option here. Then you have to tap on this and you have to enable this debugging USB debugging mode. So I am just going to back, and now the fourth thing, you have to install the plotter setup file. We have already installed this on my computer, so I'm just going to open it. Yes, it will just scan all my APK pre-installed APK files on my Android phone. I already plugged it in my mobile phone with computer, you can see. And when you connect your Android phone with computer, you have to click on this button. I just click it, it will scan all APK files. Now let's scan all APK files. So here now I am just going to uninstall a pre-installed app from my Android phone. So I'm just going to search what app I want to uninstall. So I'm just going to uninstall this Dropbox app from my Android phone. So I will just drag it, and you can see we cannot directly uninstall or disable or hide it from our Android phone. So what we will do with this, so I will just click on this filter option, and here I will search for drop box, and here you can see these two APK files. I will just check check these two APK files and click on apply. It will remove or uninstall or disable this Dropbox app from our Android phone. So I'm just apply on it, and you can see my Dropbox apps are disappear from my Android phone. As you can see, there is no Dropbox file on Android phones. If you want to uninstall or show again on my Android phone this app, so we have to click on this view device packages, and it will show all the packages, and I will just filter it, click on the filter and search for drop. I will uncheck and apply on it, and you can see it appear again. So it's quite easy way to remove your pre-installed app from your Android phone without routing your Android device. So thank you for watching our video. So please like our YouTube video and subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.